and here we discuss about peptide linkage, glycosidic linkage. Quiz number 5. Biomolecule related questions, queries are there. Answer difference between glycosidic and peptide linkage. I am Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. You do practice, you will get success, my child. Here first of all, maybe I can make 2 videos. So first you write down all the questions. What is peptide linkage? What is glycosidic linkage? Importance of peptide linkage, importance of glycosidic linkage. What is polypeptide? What is monomer of protein? What is monomer of polysaccharide? Type of bond formed when in peptide linkage. Okay, peptide linkage, or we can say peptide bonds. Now type of bonds present in glycosidic linkage. Ethyl linkage found in which type of biomolecule? What is covalent bond that connect a carbohydrate to sugar molecule to another carbohydrate molecule? Name the linkage where an ether like bonds present as an oxygen atom connect to 2 molecules. What is CONH linkage called? Condensation amino acid result which type of linkage? Maltose 1,4 glucose. What it indicate? So it indicates glycosidic linkage. Okay, this type of question can be asked in several ways. That is why you write down every question. Okay, and then we'll go for the actual answer for it. Clear to you? Write down. I am giving you time so that you can do all these things, right? Write everything. Clear? Now we'll go. Here, differentiate between peptide linkage and glycosidic linkage. Peptide linkage connects to amino acid to form proteins. Peptide linkage is amide linkage, which is formed between carboxyl group of one amino acid with amino group of another amino acid. So first dipeptide is formed, and this type of bonding between different amino acid will taking place, and we'll get polypeptide also, which results in protein. Okay, so this is polymer of this peptide linkage is protein. Monomer is this amino acid. And then we'll go for atoms involved, carbon and nitrogen, to form amide linkage. And bonding group, carboxyl group and NH2 group. And type of bond, amide bond. Here, this is glycosidic linkage, monosaccharide. It is unit, monomer. Polysaccharides are formed. This is polymer, carbon oxygen linkage, had 2 hydroxyl group of different sugar involved. So this is called glycosidic linkage. Second video also will do glycosidic linkage. One monosaccharide joined with the another monosaccharide. So carbohydrate is the formation of higher carbohydrate will take place. Glycosidic linkage bond between hydroxyl group of 2 monosaccharides linking through carbon oxygen bond. Okay, oxygen